This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it is Sunday, the 22nd September 2019. And this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the 4th week of September. Let's take a look at spot gold first. This is the daily chart. And after some consolidation, the first part of the week, it has finally pushed up higher on Friday from the 1500 level and also the weekly pivot level just at 1500, and all the way to retest another swing low, previous swing low, and right at the close there hit a high of 1517 for the week. So for the week it is a bullish close, and it could continue with bullish bias for next week. So short term it is looking bullish. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. And it has managed to push through above this previous resistance area, so we'll change that to support now. And it did bounce from the monthly pivot. It did spike lower after the FOMC news, and it spiked lower and then finally found support from the monthly pivot and continued higher for the rest of the week. So can take this one out here, and it has also pushed through the weekly R1 pivot level. So we'll see how much further it can go for the start of the week, and whether it can push all the way through to the 200 Fib level at 1533. It does need to climb above these two swing high levels here. Let's take a look on the daily. Yes, so there's a high of 1528 almost, and a high here at 1524. So there is a 40 pip zone of resistance up here. Intermediate resistance. If it does push through that, then it is likely to target the 200 Fib extension level here. If it fails to break through, then it could pull back down to this support zone now at the 138 Fib, and we'll see what the new weekly pivots will be for next week. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame for intraday analysis, it has been trading above the 200 period EMA in brown here. So this will be a good gauge on for dynamic support, and it's just below this weekly pivot and near the 1500 psychological level here. spot gold has been recovering, and inverse has been happening for dollar yen. So for the last couple of days after the FOMC rate cut decision, it has retraced lower and fallen through the weekly pivot level, and it's targeting the 62 Fib level at around 107.40 to 50 area, right near the daily 55 EMA. So let's change to the 4-hour time frame. It has fallen through this zone, intermediate support, and it's targeting this previous open for last week, and below that, if it does break through this 62 Fib level, there is the weekly S1, but we'll see what the new pivots will be. But there's a 200 period EMA brown here, and let's go to the daily chart. There's this previous swing low at 107.20 area that will also provide support. So if it does break below the daily 55 EMA. Okay, so let's mark this as a key support zone. Before this biggest support zone here, just below 107. So the bias for next week is neutral to slightly bearish for the dollar yen, and short-term bullish for spot gold. All right, there are some news for the US next week. There's consumer confidence on Tuesday, and final GDP on Thursday, followed by core durable goods orders on Friday. So we'll see how those may affect the price action. And there's also a lot of speeches by central bank chiefs at various events all around the world. So may not be anything significant, but we'll need to watch out for those as well. All right, there'll be a separate video for the euro, pound, and Aussie dollar, as well as a separate video for Ichimoku analysis for euro and the cable. Right. Meanwhile, have a good trading week, and we'll follow up on Tuesday for the daily analysis, and cheers.